Hey friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you very quickly how to hook up additional AVB interfaces to a Presonus StudioLive rack mount series mixer. So this is the rig that we've got going on. This is the Presonus StudioLive 24, and then on the front half of this rack here, we are rolling a MOTU 24Ai and a 24AO. On the bottom here, these are Focusrite preamps that are feeding the 24Ai. Now, I just solved this problem of trying to get these devices to play together as the Presonus being the master unit with the MOTUs being slaved into them. And this has broken my brain for the past day, and I finally figured it out, and it's really stupid, so I just want to make sure that if any of you are experiencing this problem, this is going to be an easy thing for you. So the signal path at the moment is going to be this switched SM58 right here, and this is going to be coming in through AVB channel 9. It's going through the Focusrite preamp through the MOTU interface. So this is how you have to get this configured to show up on your mixer. So let's start here. This is the MOTU grid. So if I turn my mic on right here, I'm talking. This is the, if you look at the top here, here's our input, analog 10. I'm sorry, this is analog 10, not analog 9. And then there's analog 10 right there. So you can see that we are patched correctly in MOTU land, whereas the patch is just 1 to 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, etc. down there. So here is the problem. On this tab, in the default state, the clock is set to each device's internal clock. I'll say that again. The 24AO right here, the clock is set to internal, or excuse me, the 24AI. The 24AO is set to internal, and the Presonus is set to, is generally is internal. I just undid this to show you, but it's internal. So here's what you need to do. You need to pick one thing as the master. So the 24AI should be the master in this instance. We're going to slave the 24AO to the 24AI. Before we do the StudioLive here, we're going to go into the Universal Control app. So in the Universal Control app, you want to set your network clock where it is saying internal as a default state. You want this to say network stream. Okay? And then again, we're double checking that our clock is, this is 48K. So when we go back to our MOTU, we're going to double check our sample rate on the 24AO is 48K. Sample rate on 24AI is 48K. Now on the StudioLive tab here, you want this to follow. This is not going to be able to do anything, but here's what you have to do. You have to activate your returns so that AVB is flowing. So we're going to do 24AI1, 24AI2, because I'm only running an additional 16 channels. And then once you do that, all you have to do is click this to 24AI output stream 1. And now if we go to the mixer and we look at our background vocal channel right here. Hey, 222, hey, 222. There we go. So again, recapping, within Universal Control, your network clock has to say network stream. And in the MOTU world, your AVB connection has to be within the stream of the device, the output stream, clock mode, and picking one interface as your clock master. Hope this helps. If anybody encounters this problem, feel free to leave a comment below. If there's anything that's not clear, I'm happy to explain in any way that I can. Thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody has a great day.